everyone, Ipsy here. Today I am going to show you how to do the half double crochet. This crochet stitch I think is very quick and easy to do. It's personally my favorite, and I hope you'll kind of see why. It's very fluid in motion, especially compared to the double crochet, which I will be teaching sometime hopefully very soon. So what you will need today, you will need a hook. Of course, I again am using an E-hook. It is my personal favorite. I would suggest you use an H or an I hook though, especially if you're just beginning. It helps a little bit with the making the stitches a little bit nicer. You will also need a pair of scissors. Doesn't matter what kind. These are Fiskars, I believe. I think I found them in the sewing section at Walmart, but they're very nice. Not necessary to get something that fancy though. And you will also need some yarn. This is a weight 4 worsted weight, medium weight yarn. So we're going to start like we normally do. You're going to take your yarn and make a slip knot. Okay. And then you're going to do some chains. I'm going to do 11 chains. I like to do an odd number at first so that my stitches are an even number. So if you don't know how to do chains, I do have a video tutorial on how to do that, and I do suggest that you start there. And that also will teach you how to do that slip knot if you have forgotten. It's not a super easy knot to do sometimes. Okay, so for the half double crochet, you are going to start by, no, for the single crochet, we just went into the next one, remember? We're not going to do that. We're going to loop over first. Okay, so you'll have 2 loops on your hook. Hopefully you can see that. And then we're going to skip the first chain like normal, and we're going to go into the second one. I find it easier to hold my finger on those so that that one that we looped over especially stays. So now you have 3 loops on your hook. Now you're going to take your yarn, pull it back over underneath that hook, and pull through 1. So you'll again have 3 on your hook, and then you'll pull through all 3. Okay. This is very, I feel like it's a very fluid motion with that, but because you're not pulling through just a couple, you're pulling through all 3. Okay, so again, you're going to loop around your hook, have 2 on your hook, go into the next chain, loop over, pull through. You'll still have 3 on your hook then, and then pull through all 3 of those. I'll show you one more time. You're going to loop over, go into the next chain, loop over, pull through that chain. You'll have 3 on your hook, and then you'll pull through all 3. I'm going to keep going really fast, and then I will catch you at the end of the row. All right, so that was my last half double crochet in the row. Another thing I kind of like about this one is it feels more like the single crochet is a lot tighter. It feels like this one can move a little bit better, which I kind of like. All right, so like with the single crochet, you do need to add a chain before you turn and go to the next row. So on the half double crochet, you just add 1. Pretty easy. And then, so that's the side we were working on. You're going to flip it, and then again, put your loop over your hook, go into the next one, it's a little bit different. So you'll see there's a V. Here, this one's your chain, that tinier one. You're going to go through both sides of that V. Pull it back out. You'll have 3 on your hook. Pull through those 3. And that's it. You just have to remember to do those chains at the end of your row and you should be good. And I hope to see you for another tutorial soon. If you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I will address them as soon as I can. I hope to see you all soon. Bye.